channel. It's your girl Temmiy, and if this is your first time stopping by, you are very, very welcome. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great, awesome, cool. Hope you guys are staying safe in this whole pandemic period. Anyways, today's video is actually a very straightforward one, and as you guys can see, I have a Marley twist on. This is my first time trying a Marley twist. Of course, your girl killed it, as in it's a mother was the case. Like, I actually mothered this hair because, as you guys can see, this is the length. I don't know if I should stand up so you guys can see properly. So yeah, this is the length. I know, thank you. You're welcome. I'm going to show you guys how I came about this hair, and of course I styled it. It's supposed to be like a loose to down. I can loose it down for you guys so you guys can see properly and see what the hair looks like up close without styling. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like, and I got the hair from my beauty supply store. I bought 3 packs and I made it into this Marley twist. Of course, I feel beautiful, I look beautiful. As you guys can see, the energy is on 1000 because I'm just feeling cute and nice and all fly today. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, you definitely know what to do. Hit the subscribe button below. Share this video with your friends. There might be some people, 1 or 2 people, that would like to learn how to make Marley twist. Because I also learned from a YouTuber on here. Her name is Tony Olaoye. Most of you might know her, some that don't know. Okay. That's how I came about this. You can also learn it. This is actually a very quick and easy style. If you're aware and if you've been watching my previous videos, you know for sure that I've been tired of putting on wigs. And if you don't know, my head got bald because of wigs. I had to just try and make protective styles going forward, and that's what I'm trying to do for a while, of course, at least now that I can. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll let you guys watch the video and we'll probably see at the end of the video. Showing you guys my natural 4C hair before I do anything to it. I already packed my hair into 4. This step of sectioning your hair makes it easy for you to walk around with your twist. To make this Marley twist, I bought this twin afro twist braid. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I bought 3 packs of this. It's a twin afro. As you guys can see, it has 2 packs in a pack. So I'm just going to use 3 of this. Hopefully, I hope I don't have to use more. I probably don't have to use more because I actually have a big head and I don't know how this is going to work out, but I hope it works out like good and nice, hopefully. I'll definitely be needing the braid. I'll be needing my comb. This, I don't have any other tail comb. I don't have any other sharp tail comb, but this is sharp enough. This comb to smoothen my hair. I'll be needing my shine jam. I already have this cantilever conditioner into my hair. We're going to need this elastic band. This is the step you have to be very careful because obviously you cannot see the back of your head and you don't have a mirror at the back of your head. So I'm just going to part my hair. And the next thing, the section I have part, I'm going to cut it into two equal parts. It might not be equal because I can't see it. Then I'm using this shine jam here because it's going to help smoothen my edges. Then I'm going to put my braids in between my hair and take my rubber band and hold it together. That's where the rubber band comes to play. Then you're going to hold it together, then take your braids. After holding the rubber band together, then take your braids and just twist out. I'm just going to twist all the way to the end, nothing serious. It's just that part where I have to put the rubber band. I want to show you guys again because that part actually needs more explanation. You can tell that I was struggling in this part because seriously, this is not something I've done before, and the outcome actually made me really proud of myself. So showing you guys this again. So now you're going to cut your hair into 2 equal parts, then take your Marley twist, put it in between your hair. Then take your rubber band, hold your hair together, then now you can twist, if that makes sense. Yeah, basically that's what you have to do. I'm just showing you guys again. Guys, just ignore that the lines are not straight because I can't see the back and obviously it cannot be straight. So I'm going to show you guys this third one again because I'm just doing the same thing all over and over again. So you guys can see those are the 2 equal parts I have. I put my Marley twist in between. I'm taking my natural hair, I'm putting my rubber band on it, then I'm going to twist out. I'm going to twist it now. So basically that's what I'm going to do. Can you guys see what I'm saying? So now you just twist it. Yeah, that's it. Ignore the lines. The hair in front is going to cover it anyway, so it's not going to show. Look at the way I'm acting serious, like some professional. But really, guys, I was honestly struggling, but I'm proud of the outcome. If I can do it, I'm sure anybody can do it. I'm just going to skip other parts, doing the same thing all over and over again. So now this front part, the middle part, I mean, what I just did here different is that the extension I'm using, I'm drawing it out a little so it can be long and it can be the same length with the ones at the back, if I'm making sense. But I literally just did the same step I did at the back to hold the hair together and to twist it out, because I'm doing the same thing. And I'm just showing you. You guys can see that this one seems a little bit longer because I had to use my teeth to hold it, because there's no way I would have been able to braid it all the way down without the help of somebody or trying to just implement my teeth, and which is what I'm just doing right here. And definitely my hand was obviously burning at the end because it was actually a huge one. I'm actually just doing the length check here to see maybe the one I just braided now actually matches the other ones that have been there before. And as you guys can see, I'm just braiding like the next one beside the previous one, and I'm just going to do the same thing all over again. Make sure that your length is in check, and at least this time you have to try and cut the lines to kind of look a little bit neater and cleaner, because this is in the front. And yeah, this is the top of my head, the front of my head. I'm just doing the same thing. There's really nothing new I'm doing. I'm just doing the same thing all over. And this is finally the last one. Nothing serious again. Make sure your rubber band is in check, your hair and your braids are in check, the length is in check, and all that good stuff. Nothing serious. And I'm just going to braid all the way down. Honestly, I really love the outcome of this hair, because I actually challenged myself and I came up with this. Although the front I had to like manage the braids because I still had like a little bit hair, so I just had to cut it like a little bit bigger. And yeah, that's why the front is not all that full like I really wanted it to be. And I couldn't go out to get like more braids, like hell no. You guys can see my edges. We just had to implement the edges we do not have and just try and use edge control to just make it look a little bit in place. Then I got some pins from my beauty supply store also, just to add it to the hair to give it a little bit style and fashion, you know, make it fashion, make it style, like they always say. Yeah, basically that's what's up, and that's it for this video.